Hi, this is Annie from Anniegurumi, and with Hobium, I'm going to show you some supplies that you may need while making an amigurumi. Obviously, the first thing you will need is some yarn. You will need a hook to pair with that yarn. You will need some stuffing and some other things that you might need. Tapestry needle to weave in all of your ends and to embroider anything that you will need. You will need a pair of really sharp scissors so that you're able to cut the yarn very nice and neat without snagging it. And I highly recommend a stitch marker so you don't lose your place. Some other things that you might need. I have a notions container here full of different things that sometimes I use for my amigurumi. So I have these wooden labels that I like to put on mobiles, like things that are hanging up on the wall, or little amigurumi purses that I make, keychains as well. And these are brads, which are lovely to add embellishment to your amigurumi that you can stick in, and you separate the brads, but you have to make sure that you glue it into place with really good strong glue. And also these are not for small children because it's a choking hazard. So the same goes for amigurumi eyes. So I have a variety of different eyes here. So these are things that you can buy online in bulk, and they come with a washer. So basically you would stick this into your work, and then on the inside of your work you would place this through to lock it into place. But these are still choking hazards for young children, so I highly recommend that you embroider for really young children. And another interesting thing about these eyes, they come in colored eyes as well, which can really bring your work to life. Another thing that I'd like to show you are amigurumi noses. These are the same thing as the eyes, except if you wanted to have like a teddy bear or a lion, you can stick one of these noses in to your work and then use the back washer. So make sure you put it into place exactly where you want it, and then you lock it and secure it with this. And this is also a choking hazard, so I would be very careful with that. I also wanted to show you some basics about using the yarns that you have and learning how to use the yarn label to determine what size hook you're going to use. Today we're going to be using this yarn as an example from HobiumYarns.com. It's the yarn art Jean Plus, and I've picked this yarn because it is quite thick, beginner friendly, and it will not split because this yarn is just spun so tightly. It's very soft and it has vibrant colors. So now, say you're beginning to get into amigurumi and you want to know what hook size to use. If you turn the yarn over, you will find this section right here that will give you all the information that you need. So if you're making a regular garment or a regular blanket or something, you can use the recommended hook size or the needle size here. On the label here it says a 5mm will work great for a knitting needle as well as a crochet hook. For amigurumi, we want those stitches to be nice and tight, so we want to go lower. So basically what I do is I see that it is a 5mm hook that is a recommendation. I go down a hook size, or I go down up to one size lower. So usually I will use a 4mm hook or 4.25mm. Okay friends, that's it for today. Join me in the next video where I will discuss basic stitches in US terms. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you in the next one.